mu Akan for no. Agya Kwabena wa UTV na din ko se mu nka obi mo ayedin mo obi ambeka se oya igbeni.
All right, ebusa for nyame sha bibia. Ma wo na yera ma hia ba. Agya Kwabena. Yesi wo ya igbeni. Agya Kwabena yesi wo ya igbeni pa. Na ufi ya igbe ufi Volta region. Na wo ma me ene wo papa na tu fi Volta region na wo de wakọ Akan mu. Isi a wa ye ohun se wo ya Akan. Woni bibi time na MPP was no na o kan ya asem bebre. Agya Kwabena afo kobla yesi wo di na nkasa ye afo kobla yesi wo di nkasa ye afo kobla. Time na NDC was MPP was no na o kan ya asem o criticize ye ni ade nyina. Say obia be ye hwe obia be atake wo. Nobody, not even one single soul ever attack you. Said they now yes because we understand democracy. What you say? But we were expecting you as a fokoblana we know. You being a neutral person now we see we Agya Kwabena. We jai we chrome din. Edina ye dia tone we jai sa kro edin. Wa ko fa ekufo frodin ada tools so because you pay favor at the end of the day no mo na mo see na Akan for pay asem na say ni see then na Akan for pay asem then na wo Agya Kwabena afu kobla wa wo tumi ja wo krom din we jai edin no we jai edin na kofa obi foforo din na di papa bi wo mu kroma adenti na wontumi antena ho anase adenti na wontumi afa side ne antom so ashantini onye sade ne da onfi ni krom aba fense twini kran ba aba Volta region ashantini onfi ni krom aba Volta region abefa wudi atuni hunso all in the name of sense e bia opefe va bi ba Akan for ankasa no they are loving people. Sisi anu dia wo Agya Kwabena no wefo kobla wa ye no e kire se this time wonim wa akasa wonim se wodi sa efo kobla na kra tu so a you feel you realize in yourself that your own people the other people will not help you, so you wish to be like the Akans so that you can get more favor. This is why you have abandoned your ametefe. This is, you have abandoned your family name. Now you're on TV. They are calling Agya Kwabena. Like if not because of this issue, we will never know that you're an Ewe. You have not even one day po. It was that program so. Nyame mutu epiep baako Agya Kwabena we de enya asem bia isi ade ye hu se udin ye efo kobla ametefe no bacho we de sisi ano start se we use side no se ne be ya ye nyina ye beti na asonje mu because this week no me sure say this week eno so e be wo de nyame share bibia
Mu Akan for no Agya Kwabena wa UTV na din ko se mu nka obi mo ayedin mo obi ambeka se oya igbeni. Enen kwa na wa be misbehave a friend say obi adi na sem ko ne so no afena mo so oya igbeni. Me pa mo so oya igbeni bia oye Akanni enti ema obi amfa Agya Kwabena be share so say of the Volta region on free Volta region of the krɔbo Volta region mudi ati boni die mudi ma Volta for debe Volta ni be na ye fe no Agya Kwabena mo Volta ni bia ye fe no Agya Kwabena da anti yempe no yanim no Volta ho be bia ni busu ni bia ni Volta ni busu onfo nyina mo eastern Ashanti any central any western anti o ya Akanni mfa madie mfa mo musuo nko yempe no
So that stupid guy no more friend around fellow Ghanaians watching a video be na the way amami buofu ne about Jimmy or a Rich Hospital awako prepare health professionals ni security personnel or more machine video are all justifying India or yes and it's so annoying. Nyabutene video no a very short 2 year. Come back, let's do this proper analysis. Nian Kenyans asem and to Ghana full trip.
Help me stop this blood. Until one of them, one of the nurses came out and said, "Oh, Bram Pacho, my mention, why?" Went inside, bought some gauze, and guess what? I should go and buy gauze or cotton. Like I should go and buy something. I'm like, madam, me pray na mumba map dem measure me. Na mum prepare de no. Me nkoto gauze say, and I'm paying for no. And your corruption the human. So it's like it's some kind of a personal attack. You've been paying for me. Say, yes, we all know. But when you look at me in the face, when I make first now catch me say, paying for why am I paying for? Right? And this was what got me triggered. Now
say what's here for the year or say the entire man bufu you on any voice gidi prepare health professionals in the security men no more no me destructive and your hospital now activities are air cost me na say nurse in na ko can say na say mum penny for no corruption and who here we sika. Now you see, let's step back a bit. Imagine say it was last year Akufo-Addo na year president MPP na what power and a wako hospital na nurse in Ibia make statement we. And Karaf in the bubefu. And Karaf no be active violently like this. No. Rather than call the camera basic nurse in so no way the Akufo-Addo attempt. I can say Akufo-Addo we wicked we in the pabone. Just say me ba hospital basic gosh cry yenya infantry team crew because say mu ria wo manzika. And katema akwa be di Akufo-Addo. But the situations have changed. And then the political party na ba bam the favorite person na your president. Enti wutie na I say yes meaning say omu wiesika. But men can see meaning. Don't tell me to my face. And then he's agitated active violently pre-brand because say he has been told the truth say na buying the political party wa bam evia wo maisika. Now you see quite no last year and for inti now see a train and now would be Akufo-Addo attempt. And then afa ufi kakra no won't say you are agitated would the attempt. Now you see we are getting razor. We yen sha se kra you and this ya ban juma ye de ba be dimono and ya mo ba chi nyina yen ka se nya info say yen wo social media ya no e de ne ye be 20 apart from all my sure more than ye be 20 na on my listing and so more betching. Now, me say me US or I bet you US. Me bag and a crown so I won't see me.